Under the leadership of the CEO, Madam Stella Akuatakpa, the Opportunity and Risk Management Institute has been instrumental in promoting innovative spirit in schools within the Volta region. The institute recently partnered with Keta Jalukopa EPJHS to host a STEM fair program which took place on June 20th, 2025 as part of the Omin Volta STEM fair. Keta Jalukopa EPJHS has previously participated in the Omin Fair program which took place at Abo in the year 2022 and 2023. However, today marks the first time the school is hosting a STEM program sponsored by the Opportunity and Risk Management Institute. Several schools from the Jalukopa area attended the events. Schools including Jalukopa JHS, Jalukopa Basic School, Global Evangelical Basic School, and Keta School MA Basic 1. The students showcased impressive projects including a moving truck, solar-powered lights, moving car, solar panel, generator operated by mobile phone, vacuum cleaner, traffic lights, helicopter operated by mobile phone, and others. A total of 11 projects were displayed. Well, all the projects were remarkable. It's worth noting that no single winner was declared. The focus seemed to be on encouraging innovation and creativity rather than competition. Opportunity and Risk Management Institute, led by Madam Stella Akuatapa, continues to play a pivotal role in promoting STEM education and innovation in the schools within the Volta region. The headmaster of Keta Jalukopa EPJHS, Mr. Mauli Okai, has issued a heartfelt call to the government and all stakeholders, including NGO, to support STEM programs in Ghana. According to him, the project is too vast for Opportunity and Risk Management Institute, OMI, to undertake alone, but a collaborative are essential for its success. Mr. Okai emphasized that STEM programs are crucial for children to learn and develop their natural talents. He stressed the need for collective support to nurture the next generation of innovators and thinkers, ensuring they receive the best possible opportunity to excel in STEM's field. Opportunity and Risk Management Institute Volta STEM School Coordinator Mr. Francis Gache has made a passionate appeal to all stakeholders to support STEM program in various schools. He emphasized the need for essential facilities such as science lab, computers, and other resources to equip students with the necessary skills. Mr. Gache highlighted the crucial roles the STEM project will play in transforming education, moving away from traditional chew and pour system. According to Mr. Gache, championing STEM education, stakeholders can empower children with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in ever-evolving world.
The third edition was held last year at St. Paul Senior High School. And this year, 2025, being the fourth edition, OMI decided to decentralize. Instead of all the school gathering at one particular venue, OMI decided to provide financial support to schools to undertake their own STEM activity. That's how come today we are gathered here at Jalukope EPJHS, where Jalukope is showcasing their own talent, the innovation from the young students. And all of us are happy to be here. We want to once again say a special thanks to Madam Stella Atakpa, who is the Managing Director for OMI, for the support over the years. And we want to say that more emphasis is now placed on STEM education as compared to what we used to call the chew and pour, or the root learning, where students only memorize concepts without understanding.
la. Ya tu jara ba ka tu si tu wa la nka wu ka na ko ma wa le ka yo ko wi. Ka na nya ba ka. Ye mu la wu pre du wa ga ru tu wa pare nya wa. Kan wa ga yu wa ko ke ya. Ata kana teacher si yo kata no ko kana. Dan dia happy program ya jipa maka.
Thank you.
Aku nak macam mana orang tu bisa bekerja beraya. Banyak bisa tu, arus betul ramai pulau uru lah, kayak orang macam mana.